Today we are discussing a very important topic, that is the mobbing coil or a suspended coil or de-assemble type galvanometer. So before starting today's lesson, I want to revise the yesterday's lesson, that is the torque experienced by a current carrying coil. In last class we have derived the relation that and we observed that when a current carrying coil placed in a magnetic field, then it experiences a torque. The relationship is tau equal to m vector cross b vector. So that is an important principle which is used for designing a moving coil type a galvanometer or suspended coil or de-assemble type galvanometer. So its principle is basically based on the principle that when a rectangular current carrying coil placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a torque. This is the main basic principle of moving coil galvanometer. So in the construction part, here you can see the construction of a moving coil galvanometer. In the construction we use a cylindrical magnetic field. Here this is the main construction of the moving coil galvanometer. This is the magnet, this is the north pole. The red color indicates the north pole and the black color indicates the south pole of the magnet. This is basically a cylindrical magnetic field. So why cylindrical magnetic field is used, that I will explain later. So obviously the direction of the magnetic field is from a north pole to south pole. In between these two poles we place a rectangular shape coil. Now when the coil is connected with an external source, here is the coil is connected, one terminal of the coil is connected with the positive and another terminal is connected with the negative. So when we switch on, then current will flow along this direction. You can see the arrow mark. Now what will happen, this coil is now placed in a magnetic field, and as I discussed earlier, when a current carrying coil placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a torque. Now in actual construction there is a pointer. A pointer is also connected in this instrument. The pointer indicates the magnitude of the deflection. The entire arrangement is also suspended from a spring. The spring is made up of the material phosphor bronze. Why phosphor bronze is used? Because phosphor bronze has the lowest value of torsional constant. This is the reason why a phosphor bronze material is used for designing the spring. Now in last class we have derived the relation, that is the torque experienced by a current carrying coil. The relationship is torque tau equal to m vector cross b vector. This is m vector cross b vector. What is m? M is the magnetic moment and b is the magnetic field. So magnetic moment is denoted by I into a cross b vector, or it is IAB sin phi. What is I into A? I into A is the magnetic moment and B is the magnetic field, and phi is the angle between the area vector or the magnetic moment with B vector. So the torque will be maximum only when the value of phi is 90 degree. That is, for sin 90, the value of sin 90 is 1, that is I A into B. So to make this angle 90 degree, we use a radial magnetic field. In the construction part, you can see the radial magnetic field. Here you can see this is the shape of the magnet. It is a cylindrical shape. So whatever may be the position of the rectangular coil, the plane of the coil always parallel to the magnetic field, that is the angle between the magnetic